Welcome to Whimsy Tricks, where we explore savvy and frugal living tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into an incredibly effective yet economical way to clean your ceiling fan using a household staple, vinegar. Vinegar isn't just for cooking. It's a natural and safe alternative to harsh chemicals. And it's fantastic for cleaning, especially when it comes to those hard-to-reach spots like ceiling fans. Let's start with the materials you'll need. Vinegar, water, a spray bottle, a microfiber cloth, and a stepladder. Mix the solution. Combine equal parts vinegar and water in the spray bottle. This diluted vinegar solution is powerful yet safe for most surfaces. Prepare the area. Lay down a cloth or old newspapers beneath the fan to catch any falling dust or grime. Climb the stepladder. Carefully climb the stepladder to reach the fan. Safety first. Spray the solution. Spray the diluted vinegar solution generously on the microfiber cloth. Be careful not to saturate the cloth too much. Wipe the blades. Gently wipe the top and bottom of each blade with the cloth. This will remove the dust and grime while leaving behind a streak-free shine. Repeat if necessary. For heavily soiled fans, you might need to repeat the process a few times. The vinegar will cut through the grease and dirt effectively. And there you have it. Your ceiling fan is now sparkling clean without spending a fortune on commercial cleaners. Plus, using vinegar helps to repel dust, keeping your fan cleaner for longer. All-purpose cleaner. Vinegar serves as an excellent all-purpose cleaner beyond just the ceiling fan. Showcase its versatility by demonstrating how the same vinegar solution can be used to clean windows, mirrors, countertops, and even floors. Deodorizing properties. Highlight vinegar's deodorizing abilities by spraying it on fabrics, upholstery, or carpets to neutralize odors. You could demonstrate this by spritzing a vinegar solution onto a fabric surface and then wiping it clean with the microfiber cloth. Removing stains. Show how vinegar can be used to remove stains from various surfaces. For example, use a vinegar-soaked cloth to tackle coffee or tea stains on tables or countertops. Microwave cleaning. Utilize the power of steam and vinegar to clean the microwave. Place a bowl with a mixture of water and vinegar inside the microwave. Heat it for a few minutes, and then easily wipe away the softened grime. Freshening up dishwasher and washing machine. Explain how pouring vinegar into the dishwasher or washing machine and running a cycle can eliminate odors and remove built-up residue, leaving them clean and fresh. Fruit and vegetable wash. Showcase vinegar's role as a natural fruit and vegetable wash. Mix vinegar with water and use it to rinse produce, effectively removing pesticides and bacteria. Unclogging drains. Demonstrate how pouring a mixture of vinegar and baking soda down a clogged drain can help clear minor blockages, offering a frugal alternative to harsh drain cleaners. Remember, visuals and practical demonstrations will greatly enhance your audience's understanding and engagement. Feel free to incorporate before and after shots, time-lapse videos, or split-screen comparisons to illustrate the effectiveness of vinegar for various cleaning purposes. The more practical and diverse the applications you demonstrate, the more valuable your content will be for your viewers interested in frugal living and cleaning hacks. Jewelry cleaning. Showcase how vinegar can be used to clean jewelry, especially items like rings and bracelets that may accumulate dirt and grime. Soak the jewelry in a mixture of vinegar and water, gently scrub, and then rinse for a sparkling shine. Removing hard water stains. Highlight vinegar's effectiveness in removing hard water stains from faucets, showerheads, and other bathroom fixtures. Show the process of soaking a cloth in vinegar and wrapping it around the affected area for a few hours before wiping it clean. Cleaning kitchen appliances. Use vinegar to clean and descale coffee makers, kettles, and irons by running a vinegar water solution through them. Demonstrate how this simple method helps to remove mineral deposits and buildup. Air freshener. Create a natural air freshener by mixing water and vinegar in a spray bottle with a few drops of essential oil. This cost-effective solution can be sprayed around the house to eliminate odors. Pet stain remover. Showcase how vinegar can neutralize pet stains and odors. Blot the affected area with a vinegar-soaked cloth, followed by a clean, Damp cloth, and finish by sprinkling baking soda over the area to absorb any remaining odor. Weed killer. Inform your audience about using vinegar as an eco-friendly alternative to chemical weed killers. Show how spraying vinegar directly on weeds can help kill them without harming the environment. Preserving fresh produce. Highlight vinegar's ability to extend the life of fresh produce. Display how soaking fruits like berries in a vinegar water solution can prevent mold growth, keeping them fresh for a longer period. Cleaning wipes. Create homemade cleaning wipes by soaking paper towels or cloth squares in a vinegar water solution stored in an airtight container. Show how convenient and cost-effective these wipes can be for quick cleaning tasks. Integrating these diverse uses of vinegar into your video will offer your audience a wide range of practical and money-saving cleaning solutions for everyday household tasks. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found these tips helpful and subscribe to our channel for more frugal living hacks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy filming!